There's Mr. T. There's a rabbit. And he has no clue that it's there.
He went after one earlier. I saw him chase after one.
Yeah, he'll chase him around, but he's apparently is pretty fucking dumb. There's Mr. T. Hey, T. Hey, buddy. It's a rabbit. Oh, he just disappeared.
Chased that bird off.
I don't know why he's going after birds. There's a rabbit right there. He's got a better chance of getting the rabbit.
He's like up in the bushes now. You see him call?
Yeah. I think I filmed it. There he is. He just popped up. He's right in there. See his tail? I can't believe he just jumped after that. You know, he never brings birds home, so I'm guessing he needs to keep striking out. And the rabbit's gone.
Yeah, he scared the rabbit off. He made so much noise.
Hey, T. Hey, buddy. Come here, buddy. Where'd he go? That should bring him home.